Friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can install the shower door in your bathroom. As you see, this is the bathroom. I just built it by myself. I have a video on it. If you want, you can check it out. Anyway, I want to put the shower door here. I will show you how to do it. Shower glass, shower door. So I just took it apart. This is all the part that came with the shower door. This is the handle, this is the roller, this is the map. So we show you how to install it, but you cannot always go with that. I will show you how to do it. For a start, we have to put this piece here in the edge. I like to be in this edge, not that one. So in this edge, and measure from the edge to the middle of the U. So I already measured is a ½ inch. So I put a piece of paste and I measure is ½ inch. I just mark it. I'm gonna put my glass over there and anchor it to the wall. Let's bring the glass. So to bring the glass, we need 2 people. So I'm gonna put some some cover under the glass. Like this to put the glass on it. The glasses, so that one has a handle. If you see, they have a 2 hole, so that 2 hole mean have a handle. So we brought that first, we put in the back. So now we're gonna bring the second one and start installing here. These 2 brackets, they came with that, one here, one over there in the bottom. Just brought the glass here, so now we're gonna make the mark on the wall, and just make sure you use a level to see. Now it's not level, we have to move it, the top part, move the top, so make the line with the pencil. After we make the level on the glass, so if we move it, so we know where it's exactly where it's gonna be. I made the mark here on the bottom, so it's ready to take the glass and start making hole. You have to put the tape first. I'm sorry, I put the tape and I put the mark, the same thing over there. And I have a drill bit here. Is for ceramic, and water. When you start to make the hole, you have to put this in the water to make it cold. Alright, let's start. Add some silicone on the hole, and after that they put the anchor. Just put the glass here. So don't use the drill to put the screw. Just use the hand screwdriver. Just install the glass on the fixed side. So now we're gonna install the bar on the top. Have to install this bar on the top. So, but this bar is the 60 inch, but our space is 57 and a half. I just measured it. So the distance from over there to here is 57 and a half. So we have to cut the bar 57 and a half. After we cut the bar, now we put these two pieces here and we put the end. Now we're gonna hold the bar and we just adjust this hole to that hole, and we're gonna install the bar to make the mark in the other side. There is a level here, so we have a level on the bar. It's all the way level. So now we're gonna with the pencil we're gonna mark around this. That's it. This one. Now we took the bar out, and now as you see we're gonna make the hole in the middle, make the mark, because we're gonna put the like there, and we do the same thing on the other side. The anchors, one here, one on the other side. To install the bar, you have to take that piece out from the end of that bar. So first you have to install that, and after to end of this. So I installed these two pieces. So one here, one over there. Okay, after that I install this piece, one in this side, one in the other side, as you see. Now we're gonna turn this. So I'm gonna unloose that Allen wrench. With the Allen wrench, these two screw. So after that I start to tie that to the thread. So this side is tight.
So I tied that all the way to the end, so it's secure on both sides, this side, the other side. So
next we have to put the screw on that hole. We have one like here. These is become a two-part. As you see, one part is like that and one part is always the glass should be between the two plastic washer. It's the time to put this part. They said you have to put the screw here, make the hole here. I don't like to make the hole in the base, so I just put the silicone in the end and I just stick it here. So before you put the silicone here, we want to measure. We have that middle part we have to put here, and the other part we're gonna silicone that one too. So this one is go here inside that, and the other side is go inside this hole to hold doesn't let the water come this way. So I have to measure that and cut this around here. So in the middle of that I just gonna mark here. Before I install those this metal, I add some silicone on it. I add some silicone this one, and already I add silicone that one. Alright, now we install that piece. So now is the time to put the roller over there. This 4 roller, we're gonna install those. I'm gonna take that off between these 2 washer. So always the glass go this in this 2 washer. I'm gonna install 2 of them, test the door, and after that install the other 2. So I just installed the sliding door on. As you see, it worked perfect. And that's the top part. The bottom part, I just put the tape over there because I tried to secure that with the silicone. I just put the tape temporary to that be straight until get dry. Okay, I just installed door handle. As you see, is a screw with the plastic, and the other side it be the handle. So now I'm gonna tighten this screw with the Allen wrench. I have a stopper here. As you see, this is the stopper. You can move it. So we're gonna close the door, but we wanna stop that before the door hit the wall. So we have to move this and look forward and just make sure where is the perfect spot. So I think a little more, we move that way, right here. Yeah, here it should be fine. So you have the Allen screw on the top. The Allen, you can tighten this on the top and it's not gonna move it. And we have one also in this side. So you have to adjust it before that hit the wall. Right here. There you go, and install the water strip. So as you see, this water strip is going against the wall and doesn't let any water can go other side. So it's going all the way from top to the bottom, or bottom to the top. Either one. So I gonna, after you're done with everything, just get the clear silicone and silicone the edge of this from the outside, and we silicone that side already. We just silicone from the outside and let it dry, and the day after that silicone from the inside. Make sure subscribe my channel. I will show you how you can fix the stuff around your home and doing the stuff by yourself without paying anyone. Have a great day.